after leaving Umfurudzi Park, I took the A13 road direction Shamba, and it is a road that on the map appears to be a paved road.
This must be the worst road maintenance ever. If you choose to drive on the side instead of driving on the tar, it's because the tire is really bad, really bad. Shamba gold mine. Where is all this money going? A whole bag of these beautiful tomatoes. Whole bag. I don't know how many. $1. So something is not balanced in this country. You go to the supermarket, you pay a lot more for this, and these people are selling it for $1. Closer to Harare, and here you can see the plantations are a lot bigger. Traffic jam. People throw everything on the ground. Shit. Burn truck, they use everything out of it. This reminds me of some parts of Johannesburg. Could be Randburg, could be Sandton. See what I mean? Milk price $5.45. Crazy, huh? 1 liter red grape $4.40. Something is wrong. I don't know other places in town, probably a lot worse than this, but this actually is a surprise. I didn't expect it. It looks beautiful. Caravan Park is where I stayed last night, and it's a very nice place. Reasonable price, well maintained, and a beautiful location on the Lake Chivero shore. This is Lake Chivero. Caravan Park is on the opposite shore. Finding these paintings is very complicated, but fortunately I found these guys who offered to show me where they are. The way to see them is quite complicated, so if you come alone you probably will not see them. There they are, the crocodile on the right. You can see everything perfectly.
At this point, we are done.
All right, Lake Chivero Recreational Park. That surprisingly, you can see white rhinos here. They told me they have some 13 rhinos here. And where there are rhinos, there are poachers. And they take care of the rhinos in this park. So now they are just moving on. And I have to go back to the vehicle, knowing that there are rhinos here I just hope that I won't find one when I'm walking, because I have to walk some 500 meters, and you see, there's not much visibility.
The cool breeze from the lake makes the air temperature just perfect. And there is a place called Bushman's Point, and you know, with that name I have to go. The road signs here are probably the best that I've seen in any park in Zimbabwe. You've got road signs pointing to all possible directions all the time. The only problem is that when you get in this park, they will not give you any map.
I bumped into them again, so it's my lucky day. Beautiful, beautiful, perfect. Look at those colors. All these akurus. To see these paintings, you have to climb using this tree, which is really weird. It's got like paper and it's very slippery.
Holy shit, 3 rhinos. 3 white rhinos. Yes, there are rhinos in this recreational park. Look at them. At least 3. They cut their horns for anti-poaching purposes.
What a difference between these zebras' behavior and that of the zebras in Umfurudzi. These must be 15 meters away and they're relaxed, calm, they don't care about me. What a beautiful place. An interesting afternoon. This recreational park, I thought it wouldn't be really interesting, but it's been a surprise. It's been a combination of culture with these well-preserved Bushman block paintings, and also a little bit of game drive, where I have been very lucky and had the chance to see those 3 rhinos. So yeah, definitely a very nice afternoon.
It's my lucky day. It is my lucky day. A 4th rhino, and behind there are more. Could they be the same rhinos that I saw before? Yeah, that rhino is all for myself. Really happy.
Hello boys, are you curious, huh? Before they left when they saw me, and now they came to the car.
I'm looking for a place for tonight, and this looks like
great place to come last night. It was a great choice. These were my neighbors last night.
Seems it's grass and plants, huh? You can see the boat going through it. It's all water, and those hyacinths, those are a pest. Terrible for the lake. They get all the oxygen from the water. Yeah, really bad. And those guys, they are not registered fishermen. So the local fishermen are upset because these guys, they fish all sizes. They don't care if the fish is small. Hello. How are you?
Alright. I'm going for a holiday.
I'm going to the caves.
You are going to the caves?
Yeah.
For a vacation or what?
Yeah, touring.
Alone?
Yeah.
Why?
You wanna come with me?
Yes.
Come on.
Let's see those caves. I see something blue, deep blue. I don't know if that's the water, but the blue is astonishing. Yeah, it's the water. Amazing. What an awesome color. Oh, there's people scuba diving there. You can see the bubbles coming up. It is like those cenotes at the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Oh, this cave is awesome. Awesome cave. And the color is surreal. First one was the sleeping cave, and this is the dark cave. That blue is unreal.